Stop scrolling, seriously. If you wake up tired, need coffee just to feel human, gain fat even when you don't eat that much, and feel mentally slow before noon, this is not normal at your age. This is your body breaking down quietly. Here's the truth nobody likes to say out loud. Young people in the US and UK are not weak. They are underfueled, overstimulated, and completely disconnected from how the human body is designed to work. Your phone wakes you up. Your stress stays high all day. Your food timing is chaos, and your body pays the price. Let's reset this properly. The moment you wake up in the morning, before checking your phone, before social media, before emails, your body needs movement and light, not motivation, not hype. Biology. Go outside and move. A fast walk or a light jog for 20 to 30 minutes. That's it. Not intense cardio, not ego workouts. This morning movement tells your body one thing: burn stored fat, not muscle. It stabilizes blood sugar, sharpens focus, and flips your metabolism on for the entire day. This is why people who move in the morning stay leaner without trying. After that, your breakfast decides your energy curve for the next 6 hours. If you eat sugar-heavy breakfast foods, cereals, pastries, sweet coffee drinks, you spike insulin and crash by noon. Instead, eat protein and healthy fats, eggs, Greek yogurt, oats, whole foods. Add berries if you want. This combination feeds your muscles, stabilizes your brain, and keeps cravings quiet. Now here's the shocking part. Most young adults in the US and UK are deficient in basic vitamins, not because they're sick, but because modern life strips them away. Vitamin D is non-negotiable. It supports mood, immunity, hormones, and energy. Low vitamin D looks like low motivation, poor sleep, and constant fatigue. Magnesium is another silent killer when it's missing. Low magnesium equals anxiety, poor recovery, muscle tightness, and bad sleep later at night. By midday, your body is either ready to perform or already exhausted. This is where most people sabotage themselves. Afternoon is the best time for strength training. Your body is warmer, stronger, and less injury-prone. Lifting weights, resistance training, or bodyweight exercises like squats, push-ups, and pulls send a powerful signal to your body. Keep muscle, burn fat, stay young. Cardio makes you tired. Strength training changes your shape. Lunch should support that. Lean protein, complex carbs, vegetables, chicken, fish, beans, rice, potatoes, greens. This is fuel, not entertainment. Fast food at lunch doesn't just make you tired. It teaches your body to store fat. Omega-3 supports heart health and brain function. B vitamins convert food into energy and help your nervous system handle stress. By now, your body should feel alert, strong, and stable. Not wired, not crashing. And this is where part 2 becomes critical. Here's the mistake that destroys progress for millions of people. They win the day and lose the night. If your evenings are chaotic, your hormones never recover. And if your hormones don't recover, fat loss, muscle growth, and mental clarity all stop. Evening is not for intensity, it's for recovery. Light movement like stretching, yoga, or an easy walk calms your nervous system. It lowers cortisol, improves digestion, and prepares your body for deep sleep, which is where real transformation happens. Dinner should be light but nutrient-dense. Protein first, fish, eggs, lentils, vegetables second, steamed or raw. Heavy carbs late at night confuse insulin and wreck sleep quality. This is not about starving, it's about timing. Now let's talk sleep, because this is where people either level up or age fast. Zinc supports immunity, skin, and testosterone. Magnesium before bed improves sleep depth, muscle repair, and mental calm. Here's a hard truth most people don't want to hear. You don't grow in the gym. You don't lose fat during workouts. You change while you sleep. Sleep deprivation doesn't just make you tired. It increases fat storage, kills motivation, and weakens discipline. That's why busy, stressed people feel stuck no matter how hard they try. This isn't about motivation. Motivation fades. This is about systems. Your body doesn't care about excuses, genetics, or age. It responds to consistency and signals. Do this for 14 days, not forever, not perfectly, just consistently. Better energy, clearer focus, leaner body, stronger confidence. If this made sense to you, you already know what to do. Like if you want real health, not fake fitness. Subscribe if you want systems that actually work. Comment, reset. If you're starting today, your body is listening.